Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tips 101, and today I'm going to make a tutorial about how to install Davinci Resolve on your computer. So this works for Mac and Windows. Let's begin with it. First, open your browser. Now you can search for the keyword Davinci Resolve. And now click on the first option, the official website. Scroll down and find the free download now. Now choose Systems. I'm on Windows x86. Okay, so you need to fill in your details before you download. I'm going to use my fake details for just the purposes of downloading, and I'm going to make sure that your email is confirmed with the email format, which has the alliance and the .com. Okay, so now you can choose whatever country. Okay, so now I'm going to leave these two boxes and click download. Okay, so now I'm just going to refer the thing to download. Okay, so now the file is completely downloaded. So now just double click on the file to open it. Okay, you will see an application file in it. So drag the application file to your downloads folder just to extract the application. Okay, it might just take about a few seconds for it to complete. And if this video helps you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. You will learn more about these softwares and tutorials on installing different software in the future. Feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section below if you encounter any problems while installing. Okay, so now just click on the application file and double click on it, then click run. Okay, so you can see the installer is now extracting Davinci Resolve, and it just takes a few seconds. Okay, you can see a pop-up window here. It's going to leave it default and click install. Now I'll wait for the Davinci control panels for it to install and run. Okay, so now is the we just need to click next, then accept, and then leave it default and click next. Now install. Okay, so now it's installing Davinci Resolve. Okay, so now Davinci Resolve is installed in our computer. So now we just need to click on finish. Then OK. Now I'm going to close all the windows, and in the desktop you will find a shortcut. Double click on the shortcut to open Davinci Resolve. Okay, so now you will see a pop-up Okay, so now we will introduce that what is new in Davinci Resolve 19. You can read through it, but I'm going to just click continue. And then now you have the option to go to a scale up, but I'm going to skip it. Okay, so you can see Davinci Resolve 19 is starting up now. Okay, so now you have an untitled project. And then now you can see that there's no media here, and then there's no timeline. So the first that we need to do is we need to go to the file, and then now import media. And then now I'm going to import a media from my videos folder. Okay, I'm going to open a frame. It's okay to change the frame rate. Okay, so if your video is bigger or longer, it might take some time for it to load. So I'm going to drag the video to the timeline, and then now it will take a lot of time for it to load as my video is kind of big. Okay, so now the video is successfully loaded. And then if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Have fun trying Davinci Resolve.